I love a facial toner that's both refreshing and gentle enough to use every day, but most commercial toners aren't good for you. They may help absorb excess oils from the face, and even out the complexion, but many are full of harsh chemicals and fragrances and come at a hefty price. Today's video will discuss DIY apple cider vinegar facial toner. Fortunately, one of my favorite toners can be found in your kitchen. This toner relies on apple cider vinegar, which helps balance and restore skin's natural pH. You'll find that this DIY apple cider vinegar facial toner will improve overall skin complexion, plus help lighten those stubborn sunspots, and even out skin tone. It can also reduce the appearance of pores and can be added to your home remedies for acne, as it helps prevent acne breakouts and scarring. Another key ingredient in this apple cider vinegar toner recipe is witch hazel, which is an extract from the leaves and bark of the North American witch hazel shrub. It's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, and these characteristics make it another great choice because it helps fight off acne, blemishes, and other skin irritations. It also helps hydrate the skin by locking in moisture. Because it's high in tannins, witch hazel tightens the skin, and can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. How to use a facial toner. A facial toner refers to a lotion or wash designed to cleanse the skin, and shrink the appearance of pores. It's most commonly applied to the face. Facial toners, also called skin toners, are used to remove lingering traces of dirt, oil and makeup. Apple cider vinegar facial toner recipe. Ingredients: 4 drops lemon essential oil, 1/4 cup witch hazel extract, 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 1/8 cup aloe vera juice, optional, 4 drops frankincense, lavender or tea tree essential oil, optional. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a small glass bottle or spray bottle. Shake well to blend all ingredients. Store in refrigerator. Apply using a cotton pad, or small piece of organic cotton after washing face. It should be gentle enough to use every day, but start with every other day to make sure. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section below.